already seen how to work with PHP in a basic sense, and that looks like this, that you can mix PHP code with HTML in a web page like this. Here's the HTML part, and here's the PHP part, as you see. So you can mix the PHP with the HTML, and the server is going to, the PHP-enabled server will find the PHP markup that begins the PHP section, execute the code in it, and then finish executing code when you're done, and end the PHP section like this with question mark, angle bracket, as you see. So that's the basic way you put PHP into a web page. You can just insert it anywhere you want in the HTML, and the server, the PHP-enabled server, will find the PHP part and execute the code inside it, as you've seen here. This is the result of this web page, and it displays an HTML table giving you information about your PHP installation. So that's the basic way in which you integrate PHP and HTML. You can just put your PHP code right into an HTML page, as long as you remember to surround it with markup, angle bracket, question mark, PHP, and end with question mark, angle bracket, as you see there. That's how you can work with PHP in an HTML page. You just insert it inside PHP sections. Now we'll take a look at the very important echo statement. The echo statement lets you send back text back to the browser. For example, this PHP page is mostly HTML. You get to PHP section there, and it says echo hello from PHP. This echo statement is what lets you pass text back to the browser. You can say echo hello from PHP, and that text is sent back to the browser, just as though it was text in the web page. Notice that this line ends with a semicolon, as all PHP statements do, end with a semicolon, so you're going to need a semicolon at the end of each PHP statement. So echo hello from PHP just sends that code, that text back to the browser, and then a semicolon ends the statement. You can include HTML inside the quotation marks if you want, and that HTML will be sent back to the browser just as if it was text in the web page. And then here we have echoing some more text, and another PHP section. So you can have as many PHP sections as you want in a web page. Echo hello from PHP again, question mark, angle bracket closes off that PHP section. So what we should see is echoing some text in a H1 header, then the text hello from PHP, another H1 header, echoing some more text, and then hello from PHP again. So let's take a look at what it actually looks like. And there, as you see, that's exactly what we see. This hello from PHP came from the PHP script, and hello from PHP again came from the PHP script as well. So what you're seeing is that it is possible to send text back to the browser using the echo statement in PHP, and that's the primary statement we're going to be using in order to display HTML and text back in the browser. From our scripts, from our PHP scripts, is the echo statement, so a very important one to understand and to see how it works. As you see, you just say echo, and then follow that with the quoted text you want to send back to the browser, followed finally by a semicolon. So that's the echo statement, the basis of our PHP work, because you've got to communicate back to the browser from the server, and if you don't, it's going to be rather anticlimactic because nothing's going to appear in your browser. So that's the echo statement, the basis of our work with PHP to come.